Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, we covered up to 35 questions. In this 36th question, we are going to see what is the use of SCP attribute. What is the use of SCP attribute and what is the default value? What is the default value of this SCP attribute? We are going to discuss in this video. Okay, let me start. So this SCP attribute, SCP stands for separation. Okay, separation. What separator we have to use? What separator we have to use? Generally, in our Python, when we are trying to print some variables, like let us consider I want to print these four variables. Okay, better to take directly a program. I have A is equal to triple one is there, B is equal to triple two, C is equal to triple T, D is equal to triple four. Like we have four attributes are there here. Now I want to print the value of A, comma B, comma C, comma D. Means what? In a single print statement, in a single print statement, we are trying to print all these four values and let us see what output we are going to get. If you run the program, you can see the output is nothing but what? Triple one followed by a space, triple two followed by a space, triple three followed by a space. Like that, separated by space, we are getting. Sir, I don't want space as the separator. I want to take comma as the separator. Then we have to take the same print statement, but the at ending always we have to take SCP attribute within double quotations or single quotations. What separator you need? Suppose consider I want a comma as the separator. If you run the program, in the second line you can see when it is printing the content of the object separated by comma, it is printing. Sir, I don't want comma as a separator. I want hyphen as the separator. No problem. It will take hyphen as the separator. Sir, I want line by line. You know, if you want to transfer the control to line by line, we have to give /n. Once if you are taking /n, what will happen? The control automatically moves to the next line. If you run the program, you can see the separator is a /n, right? That's why the control is coming to the next line like that we have. So this is nothing but what is mean by SCP attribute, and whenever you are using SCP attribute, what output we are getting. Okay, and one more point, the default value for SCP attribute is, what is the default value? Space is the default value. If we are not giving any SCP attribute, what is the default value it is taking for separation? Space is the default value it is taking. Like that we have, friends. This is nothing but the 36th question what we have. Okay, thank you, friends.